Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accost. 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 Accost means to approach someone boldly or aggressively, typically in a confrontational or intrusive manner. It can also refer to initiating a conversation or interaction with someone, often in a way that may be unwelcome or uncomfortable. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The customer chose to accost the store manager about the product's quality. Why accost is used in example number 1. Accost is used to describe how the customer approached the store manager to discuss a concern or issue with a product. Example number 2. He decided to accost the speaker after the lecture to ask a question. Why accost is used in example number 2. Accost is used to convey the idea that the person approached the speaker in a direct and assertive manner. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.